Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean the tracks on either sliding doors, windows, or even your shower door sliding track. All you're going to need is some baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide. If you don't have hydrogen peroxide, you could also use vinegar, but for today, I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide. So let's go clean some tracks. I'm going to give you guys a before shot of the track here just so you guys can see what we're working with. It's the middle of winter here and these get super duper grimy with all of the salt and the snow that comes in. It really builds up in the corners here. So I'm going to be showing you guys also how I get really deep into these corners and stuff as well to get all this grime out. So we're going to start with our baking soda. We're going to start by just sprinkling our baking soda all the way down the track here. Then we're going to take our hydrogen peroxide and just squirt it on top of our baking soda. Pretty simple. I'm going to go add just a little bit more baking soda, just in the spots where it's kind of bare. And now all you're going to have to do is go ahead and let this stuff sit, let it do its job, and we're going to come back in probably 5 to 10 minutes and start kind of scrubbing these out. But other than that, go ahead and let these sit, go ahead, do something else, and we'll come back to finish this off in a second. It's been a couple minutes here. All I have is a regular washcloth and actually a knife. And I'm just gonna lay these in and take my knife to kind of scrub. This helps because obviously your fingers aren't quite, or are a little too big to fit in here effectively. I'll bring you guys down here so you can really see how well this works. We just kind of grabbed it and it fits ever so beautifully right here in this little crevice. We'll bring you in real close so you can see maybe. So this works really well just because you don't have to get your hands dirty. It works better than a paper towel because paper towels tend to rip, but you can really get in there in those small crevices up against the cracks here and in the door, and it helps get all of those pieces out. So once I've used the knife and kind of gotten everything away from the edges, I'll go in and kind of pick up some chunks. There always tends to be chunks of stuff that get lodged in here. So just to finish this off, I like to take a second washcloth that's just damp with water, and I'll take it and just run it down the tracks just to pick up any leftover parts of baking soda that tend to get stuck in here, and kind of gets any residue of that hydrogen peroxide up out of here. I do have kids, so I don't need them sticking their hands in here and licking fingers with leftover residue of things. So I'll just take a second and wipe this down really well. This with my washcloth, kind of getting all of those leftover bits out of here, making sure I've got it all. And once I've done that, you're done. And just like that, your track to your sliding door or window is all clean, and it's as easy as that.